Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this 2022 Chevy Spark key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this, and here on the back you need to remove this whole back piece. And the easiest way to remove it is just take your small flat screwdriver and just insert the tip right here, only the tip, and now twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily remove the full back piece. See, you need to remove the full piece. Alright, and when you remove it, right after that here, you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take your small flat screwdriver and insert the tip here and push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure here this is the positive side that facing up. So this step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take this back piece again, make sure you align it perfectly here, all corners have to match perfectly, and snap them together just like this. And when you snap them together, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.